Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to sew this pencil case. So to make this project, I'll be using these two fabric pieces and a sew-in interfacing. I've also got a 9-inch zipper. So my fabric pieces measure around 12 by 9 inches. I'll trim it down later on. So to start with, I'll be placing my wadding in between my two fabric pieces. So my fabric pieces will be facing wrong sides together with the interfacing in between. I'll be sewing the two fabric pieces together. I've drawn straight lines on my fabric, so I'll be sewing on those lines. I've gone ahead and sewn my fabric pieces together. This is what it looks like. I've also gone ahead and trimmed the sides, and it measures 10.5 by 7.5 inches. Next, I'll be folding the fabric together to get the midpoint on the long side. And I have my pattern here, which I cut on fold. So it measures 5 inches by 4 inches. I moved it an inch, so it measures 3 inches at the top, and I used a round object to get the curve, like so, and I cut it on fold to get this. So I'll be placing my pattern on this. So this will be the shape of my pencil case. So I'll trace the outline onto the fabric. So next I'll be attaching my zipper. I've gotten the midpoint of my zipper, and I'll place it on my fabric piece on the right side. So this is the right side, this is the outer part of my case. So I'll place it with the right side of the zip on the right side of the fabric. So I'll sew the other side by placing it right side facing. To make it easier to sew, you can remove your zipper pull and take it off and reattach it after sewing, just to make it easier to sew. So I'll be placing it right side facing down. After installing the zipper, I'll go ahead and sew the sides. So I'll just follow the lines I drew for my pattern on the fabric. I finished sewing the case. Make sure before sewing the sides that your zipper is halfway open so that you can turn to the right side. Next, I'll be using my serger to finish the edges, the raw edges. If you don't have a serger, you can use a zigzag stitch on your sewing machine, or you can use a bias tape to finish the edges. And that's it, your pencil case is finished. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again next time. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.